Good morning, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna dig the G8 out. It's been a while since I did a G8 video. It's actually been almost a year since I actually drove the car. So I know I have to get the battery charged, jump it off. So I'm gonna do that, pull it out, get it cleaned up, and I'm gonna show you some upgrades that my son actually did to the car over the last year. Even though it was sitting, he did the upgrades, and I never really recorded anything since then. So let's go out to the car and get this battery in, and hopefully it starts up. I absolutely hate cars with the batteries in the rear. You have to take everything apart just to get to the thing. So let me go ahead and throw this battery in there, and just like I said, hopefully it starts up. I'll come back to the video once the battery is in. All right, got the battery in. Well, let's see if she'll start up. Nothing. Let's see. Cables seem to be loose. Let's see if I can tighten them up. That's what it was. The cables was loose. Alright, so I'm gonna get it pulled over in front of the garage so I can get it washed off. Let it warm up a little bit before I move it. Alright, car is extremely dirty, so my goal is to clean it up so I can put it up under the cover, and hopefully my son may be coming home in a month or two, actually 2 or 3 months possibly, and he probably will drive it, so that's why I'm gonna clean it up, get it ready for him. All right, so I'm doing a really good in-depth cleaning of this car up under the hood and everything. So I just soaked the engine down and spray it off, and this is probably going to be one video, but it's probably not going to be one day, because I want to deep clean this car really good. So it's never been cleaned real good, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and just like I said, get it ready. Alright, got the engine clean. Working on the trunk now. I'll show you. It got all the stuff built up on it for sitting, so I got all that dirt down in there on both sides, so I'll spray all that out. Alright, so I got it cleaned up. Got the car cleaned up, like I was saying. Need to get some hood shocks, but they all go bad. Clean the engine up. Just waiting on it to dry up, but bring it back to its original glory. Just a quick cleanup. It could always be better. So, but my goal, just like I said, is to get it up and going and put it up under the cover. I left the cover off of it for too long. Never intended to, but that's why it started looking that way. Let me show you a little bit of the inside. All right, I gotta clean the inside out also. So, but if you look, he got the updated Sony radio, and let me go ahead and start the car up so you can see it. He also got a forward facing camera. I think that's up there somewhere. Yeah, right there. Put that in there. He got a reverse camera. That battery cable's gonna kill me. Look at good way to bring your G8 up to or match some of the stuff that the cars now have. And of course he got the I'm gonna turn the radio on, but also the only thing with this digital, you see you got the digital readouts, everything is in Celsius, because of course this car is Australian and they do metric system over there, so the temperatures are in Celsius, not Fahrenheit, what we used to. So that's the only downfall of this upgrade. The upgrade comes with the whole centerpiece, and he put that in there, and I'm not sure, he did it a long time ago, so I'm not sure if I got a video of it, but he also put the carbon fiber strips in there, so, and around the steering wheel. He did the carbon fiber around the steering wheel also. So he was supposed to get a new steering wheel. It was a whole carbon fiber steering wheel, but somehow it didn't get shipped, and he ended up having to get his refund and things like that. But other than that, G8 is good. We did the headrest. I don't know if you remember in earlier videos the headrest was hanging, but we redid the headrest, got that looking good. So alright, so that's pretty much it. That's all I want to show. I'll get it, I get some better shots of it when I finish cleaning it up completely, but so far I just got it looking okay for now. Alright, so I just finished up the G8, as you just saw. Got it pulled back into position. I didn't do a very thorough detail like I said I was going to do, but I did get the engine cleaned up. I got the inside of the rails, the drip rails and everything cleaned out with leaves and everything, and washed those out. I washed the car. It looks pretty decent. I didn't put any kind of tire dressing or anything on it because it's going to be sitting back down up under the cover. What I do need to do though is vacuum out the inside and clean out the inside and get that ready. So the G8 is always going to be here. I'm not getting rid of it. Just like I said, it's my son's car. He should be home in 2 to 3 months, and he'll probably drive it for a little bit. But other than that, I didn't want to do any kind of upgrades to it because he wants to be here when we do the upgrades. Like, I want to put a cam and stuff in it, but he wants to be here so he can do that with me. So that's why I kind of got the car sitting off to the side and not really doing much with it. So thanks for watching. Click on that subscribe button if you haven't. Click that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.